Today, let's talk about why your body makes sounds when you stretch. Stretching can produce body sounds. Joints contain fluid and gas. Movement shifts these bubbles. Stretching changes joint pressure. This creates popping sounds. Tendons move over bones. They may snap softly. Inactivity stiffens joints. Stretching restores motion. Sounds are usually painless. They are often harmless. Regular movement reduces stiffness. Sounds may lessen. Pain with sound needs attention, especially swelling or weakness. Body sounds vary among people. They change with activity. Stretching sounds are often normal. Do you hear these sounds when you stretch?